Lawyers hate this one weird arbitration loophole that costs only $27. And before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for your special discount offer. Now, if you're being sued for credit card debt in California, you're probably panicking right now. I get it. You're thinking you need to hire a lawyer who'll charge you thousands, or maybe you're just hoping this whole thing goes away. Spoiler alert, it won't. But here's the thing most people don't know. That credit card agreement you signed years ago? It probably has an arbitration clause buried in the fine print, and that little clause is your secret weapon. Instead of fighting in court where everything's public and expensive, you can file a motion to compel arbitration. Think of it like saying, hey, we agreed to settle this privately, remember? Here's where it gets interesting. Many debt collectors will actually just give up when you file this motion. Why? Because arbitration often costs them more than what you owe. It's like challenging a bully to a fair fight, and suddenly, they're not so tough anymore. SoloSuit's step-by-step system walks you through creating this motion for just $27. Compare that to hiring an attorney who'll charge you $500 just to look at your case. The platform asks you simple questions, generates your legal documents, and you can even have them reviewed by a real attorney if you want. One user named Mason filed his motion, and within days, the attorneys dismissed his entire case. Look, I'm not saying this works in every situation, but for $27, it's worth trying before you spend thousands on a lawyer. So click that link in the description below, get your discount, and stop letting debt collectors push you around. Your wallet will thank you later.